upon a time, there was a young girl named Anushri who just started earning a decent salary. Like many young individuals, she too was excited to spend her newfound wealth on clothing, gadgets, and dining out at fancy restaurants. One day, her senior at work asked her about her savings and investments. Anushri realized she hadn't given a thought over these topics and was unaware of the different options available to her. Her senior introduced her to the concept of systematic investment plans (SIP) in mutual funds. SIP in simple terms means investing a fixed amount at regular intervals, typically each month, in a mutual fund scheme of your choice. This approach would enable her to take the advantage of power of compounding and rupee cost averaging. Initially, she was skeptical that investing in stock market is risky. However, her senior explained that investing in SIP through mutual fund would help mitigate risk by diversifying your investment over different stocks and sectors. Anushri was convinced and began her investment journey in mutual funds through SIP. Over time, she continues her investment in SIP in a disciplined and timely manner to reap its benefits in the long run. She felt grateful that her senior introduced her to the concept of SIP and decided to pass on this knowledge to others and encourages them to invest in SIP through mutual funds. Thus, SIP in an equity mutual fund is one of the best investment tools. It helps mitigate risk and helps achieve the financial needs in the long run. So start your SIP in an equity mutual fund today. Start small but be disciplined. We will meet you in our next video where we talk more about the benefits of SIP. Thank you.